70%. We got Pepe up 32%. We got Arrow up 26% for the week. We got WIF 37.5% for the week. We got SUI up 12.2% for the week. So yeah, guys, everything's looking more green for the last week. Now Bitcoin is holding steady, guys. Right now, Bitcoin at the time of recording is at $63,333, guys. It's definitely in the uptrend since its local low of September 6th of $52,000. It's basically been trending upwards, guys. So definitely it's been trending upwards. So definitely you guys could see that we're trending upwards on Bitcoin, guys. So yeah, guys, if you guys would have bought in September 6th, you would definitely be up from 52K all the way up to 63K. Although we did hit 66K the last couple of days, since September 27, 28, and 29, we did hit 66K, guys. So we are correcting though at the time as we speak right now. We are down to 63,359. So we are 3.50% down for the day, guys. But don't get bearish on me, guys. Definitely, I don't think we'll go that much lower, guys. As you guys can see on the chart, we do have a lot of support at 62,500. So we might just tap 62,500 and start bouncing back up again, guys. I don't think we'll break that much lower from 62,500, guys. I mean, it's almost time for the parabolic bull run, in my opinion. Either sometime in October or November after the elections, we should start trending upward, guys. More rapidly, guys. There's a lot of people that are bearish out there, thinking that, we're going to correct, or, we're in a recession. There's war out there, a lot of fear going out there, trying to scare people out of the markets, trying to, get you to sell your positions, guys. But, don't sell your positions, guys. That's the worst thing you could do right now. Just hold. Although, we could dip another 5, 10, 15%, even 20%. I mean, that's normal for Bitcoin. About this stage, right before, starts going parabolic, guys. It's just like a shakeout to shake all the weekends out. And once you're shaken out, you'll regret it later. Once you see the prices, like go 100%, up 200%, you'll be like, man, why did I sell? So definitely don't sell on me, guys. And the reason a lot of people are thinking is recession, or they're scared that the market's gonna correct, like in 2008, like it's just gonna dump hard, like oh, the bull run is canceled, those kind of negative bearish people out there. It's because they don't know about the 18-year economic cycle. Basically, the 18-year economic cycle, guys, is something that most people don't know about, guys. But I'm going to share it with you guys right now. Basically, the 18-year economic cycle is about 14 years up, and where the markets go up, and then after the 14 years, they go down for 4 years. So as you guys can see on the screen right now, I have the 18-year economic cycle chart up, and you see, let's just take 2011, the last case. There's many examples. It goes over 100 years, even 200 years of history. That's why this chart was charted, because there's a lot of data on it. But basically, let's just take the 2011 cycle, guys. That was like the beginning of the 14-year bull run cycle, for where it goes up and then it goes down for 4 years. So in 2011, it started going up. You guys remember in 2008, where the markets crashed hard? So it crashed for like about 4 years, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. And then sometime in 2011, the market started, going upwards, guys. So it started trending upwards. And then, about mid-cycle, in 2001, it does have a correction, like about 7 years, right around there, as a mid-cycle correction. So that was like the 01, correction. When we had, a bunch of wars and a bunch of, dot-com bubbles and, that kind of stuff where it corrected. And then, then it started trending upwards again. And then it went all the way upwards, until it got to the last 2 years, before 07, 05, 06, and 07 was basically the winner's curse, where like, you know, it goes parabolic. But then after 07, that was the top of the bull run, you know, for most markets. That's the real estate market, you know, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, all the traditional markets, guys. You know, and then it crashed. It crashed for like about 3 to 4 years until 2010, where it started building up again. And that's where Bitcoin was born. Bitcoin was born in 2009. So that's, you know, Bitcoin is going, you know, just right with the economic cycle. Yeah, so see, Bitcoin was born right here, oh, got a little bit confused, guys. Yeah, 2011 is the start of this cycle. What I meant to say was in the 1993, that's the previous cycle, and then that one topped off in 2007, guys. You know, so yeah, that was my mistake. In the beginning, it started in 1993, and then the midway cycle was 2001, and then that was the dot-com bubble where it had the correction, and then the winner's curse circle, was in 2006, 2007, and that's when it was the top of the 18-year economic cycle. And then in 2008 came in, and then we had the big crash, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I got my numbers mixed up a little bit. So yeah, 2008 it crashed, and then we had the 4 years, you know, going down, and you know, so you know, it went down from 07, 08, 09, 010, and then, you know, sometime in 2010 it started going up again, and then here in 2011, this is what I wanted to say. This is what I started off saying in the beginning. In 2011, the 18-year economic cycle started again, guys. So it went up for 14 years. You know, I mean, it goes up 14 years and it goes down 4 years. But right now, we're at the winner's curse, guys, right here, guys. And 14 years from 2011 is 2025. So this peak that you see right here at the winner's curse, that's probably going to be in 2025, guys. So yeah, let's start over the 2011 18-year economic cycle again, guys, because I kind of messed up a little bit. This is my first live, guys, so please bear with me. I mean, I'm getting the hang of it. So in 2011, you know, the 14-year uptrend started for the 18-year economic cycle, and then this peak right here was like, you know, like right before the pandemic happened. So this low peak right here would be like 2020, March of 2020, right here. This was when the pandemic started happening, and then it bottomed out in 2020, and then after 2020, you know, after that midway correction of the 18-year economic cycle, you know, people there in 2020 were thinking, oh man, you know, market's gonna crash hard, everything's gonna go to zero. But what happened? You know, it was like a V-shaped recovery, like this 18-year economic cycle chart right here. You know, the crypto market, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, real estate, everything just started recovering in V-shape, and everything started trending upwards again. Of course, I mean, you have corrections along the way, you know, and you have accumulation stages. It goes sideways, but for the most part, you know, it's trending upwards. And you know, this peak down here is 2020 right here, and then it started trending upwards, and then we're about right here in 2024. You know, like, you know, we're like in the last, you know, 2 years of the winner's curse, guys. So, you know, and the last 2 years are when it starts going parabolic, guys. So basically, you know, I believe, you know, in October or November, we're going to start going parabolic, probably for another year from the time of recording. So sometime for the crypto market especially, I mean, you know, the traditional market, you know, sometimes go longer than the crypto market, but I think the crypto market, Bitcoin and the crypto market is going to top out by sometime in September of 2025, guys. I mean, give or take a month or two, you know what I'm saying? But right around there, guys. Could be sometime in August, September, October of 2025 is where this peak is going to be of the winter curse in 2025, guys. So that would be August, September, or October of 2025. And then after that, guys, we'll start trending downwards, and you know, we're basically going to go into the bear market. And now this is the first time that Bitcoin and the crypto market has seen the peak of the 18-year economic cycle. So it hasn't gone through a 4-year downtrend. It started in '09. But 9 or 10, like nobody even knew about Bitcoin. Like just few insiders. So like there's no real data for it. So this is going to be the first time that that Bitcoin and crypto market is going to go down these 4 years of the bearish 4-year cycle of the 18-year economic cycle, guys. A lot of people are saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to keep going. It's going to keep mooning. I don't have a crystal ball or anything, guys. I don't know the future, but this 18-year economic cycle has been in place, for over the last 200 years. So I'm thinking Bitcoin in the crypto market is going to crash hard too. So, definitely sell your favorite cryptos and Bitcoin, sometime in 2025. Because after 2025, guys, for the crypto market, I do believe it's going to get bearish. And, usually crypto and Bitcoin is bearish for about a year. We go into a year bear market and then we start recovering, guys, at least for Bitcoin. Some altcoins, they go over, they stay bearish for like 2 years at least. But Bitcoin usually starts recovering after a year. But I don't know. This year, Bitcoin might be bearish for like 2 years, maybe even 3 years. This is the first time that Bitcoin has gone through the crash of the 18-year economic cycle. So we shall see what happens, guys. This is going to be a first for Bitcoin in the crypto market. So definitely keep an eye out for that, though. But definitely after 2025, we will have a year bear market, but we might even go as far as 2 years, maybe even 3 years of bear market. So that would be like 2026, 2027, and maybe even 2028. I don't know, guys, because this is the first time Bitcoin is going to go into this bearish cycle of the 18-year economic cycle. So we shall see what happens, guys. So my main thing I'm trying to get to you guys is that you definitely want to sell your Bitcoin or favorite cryptocurrency sometime in 2025, so you don't get burned, so you don't lose all your profits. Once the top of the bull run hits, and then we might we'll go bearish for at least 1 year, which has been the tradition for Bitcoin and cryptos. But we might even go 2 to 3 years this time on the bearish cycle for Bitcoin, guys. And if Bitcoin goes bearish for 2 to 3 years, some altcoins might be bearish for like 2, 3, 4 years. So yeah, this is all going to be new territory, guys. So we shall see what happens. But I'm gonna keep doing this as my full-time job now. So I'll be updating you guys, when that time comes, guys, after the top of the bull run. And again, the top of the bull run, in my estimates, in my analysis, everything I've been researching, should come in sometime in September 2025. And again, give or take a month or two. And again, that's for Bitcoin. Bitcoin should probably stop off in September 2025, give or take a month. But doesn't mean some altcoins are going to make it to September 2025. Some altcoins are going to top off in like March, April, or May of 2025, guys. So just be careful out there. What I recommend is to take your profits along the way. Once March, April, and May of 2025 come in, if you're in some good profits in your favorite altcoins, guys, sell. Take your profits, because you don't want to get burned, and you don't want to round trip your crypto, guys, and have to wait another 4, 5, 6 years to recover. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Don't buy or sell any crypto, Bitcoin, or anything just because I say so or anybody says so, guys. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So yeah, guys, another indicator that Bitcoin and crypto are gonna remain bullish, guys, is the DXY, guys. I got the DXY chart up right now, and as you guys can see, it's at $100 right now, $100.34. So it is like on a downtrend right now. So it's looking bearish, guys. And I don't know if you know or not, but if you don't, I'm letting you know that like when the DXY, the US dollar goes down, usually risk on assets go up. So Bitcoin and cryptos are risk on assets, guys. So it's testing support right now of $100. So definitely it could probably remain at these levels for like the next few months, even to a year. It might break down below $99, but it might not. It might just stay around this range and just range in these low range while everybody's investing into risk on assets, guys. That would be like Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, that kind of stuff. See, as you guys can see right here, let's go back to the previous bull run cycle for Bitcoin. Let's see here. In September, okay, so Bitcoin topped off in September of 2021. See right here, November 2021. See, Bitcoin topped off in November 2021. So this is where the DXY was. So the DXY in November was about $94, guys. So it was low, see? And then after Bitcoin topped off in November 2021, look what the DXY started doing. It started going up, up, up. So all of 2022, while Bitcoin was going down, it went up, 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 and it went all the way up to $114, and it topped off in October of 2022. And then surprisingly, November 2022 was Bitcoin's bottom. So when Bitcoin was bottoming, the DXY was topping off, guys. So what did the DXY do after October 22? It just went down, 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 and then it made a local bottom in January 2023. And what did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin all of 22 it went down. Bitcoin in 2022 it went down while the DXY went up. But then after in the 2023, while the DXY was going up, while the DXY was going down, Bitcoin was going up again, guys. So basically what I want to get you guys to get is that there's an inverse relationship between the DXY and Bitcoin, guys. And now let's see where we're at right here. See, the DXY is bottoming out. So that means that that Bitcoin is probably going to start trending upwards now, going parabolic. So it'll probably spend some time here, in these lows for like the next year. Let the risk on assets, moon and go parabolic, guys. So that's another indicator right there. Let's see what else we got, guys. Another good indicator that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to start trending upwards and go parabolic here pretty soon. It's the USA elections, guys. If you notice here, in the blue chart is the 2016-2017 USA elections. The green chart is the 2020-21 USA elections, and this white line here, white chart is the 2024-2025 elections. It's the current elections, guys. So let's see what happens in the 2016-2017 elections. So the elections are on November 5th. So basically here in November, right? So when it was in November, the blue chart, this is for Bitcoin right here. Look what happened, guys. After the elections, boom, 2016-2017 cycle, just started going parabolic, guys. It just mooned. That was like a big cycle, 2016-2017 for Bitcoin. So it went parabolic after the elections. What happened in the 2020-21 cycle? Same thing, guys. After the elections in November in 2020, it started going parabolic, and then it topped off here in May of 2021. It topped off here in March, April, May of 2021, and corrected all the way to July 2021, and then it had its double top, that peaked off in November 2021, guys. So what's going to happen this year, guys? We're right here in September right now, at the end of September, still just kind of going sideways, guys. Just like the previous examples. The blue and the green chart, it was just kind of going sideways before it went parabolic after November elections, after the November USA elections. So once it hits the USA elections, guys, this white chart, basically the Bitcoin chart for 2024-2025, it's probably going to go parabolic, guys. This is what the data for history shows for Bitcoin, and usually the history repeats. It's not 100%. You never know, but I trust the data, and I've noticed that history repeats, guys. So 90% sure that history is going to repeat, and we're going to go parabolic after the November 5th elections, guys. So definitely another good indicator, guys, that it's not a time to get bearish. It's time to get bullish. If you still have some dry powder on the side, guys, now is the time to buy, guys. Because if you wait too long, everything will start going parabolic, and it'll go 100%, 200%. The price will be 100%, 200% more than they are now, and you'll be like, man, why didn't I buy in August or in September when Top Crypto Bull was telling me to buy? I don't know if you've seen my previous videos for August and September, but I've been trying to tell you guys that the time to buy was right now. And since August 5th, I've been telling you guys, the time to buy is right now, guys. And I've been saying that September was probably just going to be more like August, just kind of going sideways. But, by the end of September, that we might start trending upwards, guys. And that's exactly what's been happening, guys. It's the end of September, and we've been starting to trend upwards, guys. So, don't get left behind, guys. The time to buy is right now. If you already have your positions in, then just hold. And, once you're in profits in 2025, you sell when whenever you reach the profit that you want to make. It's a good idea to have targets or a plan, guys. Because without a plan, you might not sell on time, and and you might round trip your bags, guys. It happens to a lot of people. So definitely, let's just say, you just need to make 100 grand. Don't wait till you're up in profits $1 million. Maybe only sell like half your coins when you got at least 100 grand made, and and maybe save the other 50% of your holdings, of your cryptocurrency holdings, to see if it goes up more. Well, at least that's what I'm planning to do, guys. Once I reach my target for price range I want to make for a certain altcoin, I'm gonna sell half my coins, and then to make sure I make some profits, lock in some good profits, and then just wait a little bit more, not wait too much longer. For the altcoins, once I see May coming in, I'm definitely selling all my altcoins, unless it's like certain altcoins that I think could run a little more, then I'll hold a little longer. But once March, April, and May, that's when I'm gonna start selling my favorite altcoins, guys, because that's when I think some of these altcoins are gonna start topping off, guys. Yeah, so definitely sell, when you're in profit, guys, and you want to make some money, guys. That's the main name of the game. Don't get too greedy, guys, where you're like, oh, I want to be a millionaire. It could happen, guys, if you invested in the right altcoin. But at least, sell some of your crypto so you can at least make something, just in case it doesn't go as high as you think it will on the price on your favorite cryptocurrency, guys. So here's another little chart I want to share with you guys. So this is where we're at right here, guys. We're basically here at the bear trap. August and September was basically a bear trap, and now we're starting to bounce back from it, guys. So we're starting to go parabolic, guys, pretty soon here it could even start as early as October, guys. We might start going parabolic as early as October, but if not, I think for sure sometime in after the USA elections, we'll start going parabolic. It might take a little longer. It might be till the end of November till we go parabolic. But definitely, guys, the time to buy is right now. Bitcoin is not going to go to zero. Your favorite cryptocurrency is not going to go to zero. When I say that, I'm not talking about some unknown meme coin. I'm talking about the top 100 projects. You know what I'm saying? And well-established projects. If you're investing in some meme coin that's just going to get rug pulled, that's a different story. But I'm talking about the top 100 crypto projects, guys. So definitely, the time to invest in your favorite cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is now, guys. Now, how much gains can you expect for Bitcoin in for October, November? Well, here's a little chart, guys, that goes back 11 years since 2013 till the current years to see how much Bitcoin has averaged in October, November, December. Now let's go. So we're in 2024. There's no data yet, and this September data. I got this chart, in the beginning of September, so it shows -3%. But actually, we're up about 7 or 8% in September. So actually, September is looking green for 2024 right now. If it finishes closing off, at these prices, around 63, 64,000 or higher, we should be about 7% in the green, guys, for September. Because August closed at 59,000. So as long as we close above 59,000, if September closes above 60,000 or more, September will be green this year, guys. and we only have well, this is the last day of September actually. So yeah, I mean, unless we like go below 60K, September should close in the green, guys. So let's see. Let's take a look at 2020, which was 4 years ago, the election years. What happened in 2020, guys? That's USA election years. October was up 27.7%. Bitcoin was up 27.7% for October, and then November was up 42.9% for Bitcoin in November, and December was up 46.92%, guys. So definitely, we got 3 green months coming up according to history. Let's look up the last 4 years before 2020, 2016, guys. That was also a presidential election year. Bitcoin in October went up 14.71%. In November, it went up 5.42%. And in December, it went up 30.8%, guys. So yeah, 3 green months. So every time there's an election year, guys, Bitcoin is bullish and it goes green for October, November, December. Now we don't have any data for 2012, but yeah, basically on the Bitcoin's history, election years have been bullish for the quarter 4, guys. October, November, December have been green for Bitcoin 2016, 2020, and it should probably be about the same in 2024. Now the market maker might switch it up. Maybe we'll have like a red October, and and we'll have to wait till November, December to be bullish. But I mean, it doesn't matter, guys, because I mean, they could like try to trick you. I mean, like that's what the market maker does. They'll try to trick you and scare you out. They'll like make October, like they might make October bearish and red just to scare people out of the market. Like, oh man, this time it's different. They're gonna they're gonna crash the market. It's not green like the other 2020 and 2016. It's gonna be different this time. Like the top came in March 2024 for Bitcoin. We already had the all-time high for this cycle. That kind of talk. So they might try to scare you out, guys, and then people will sell and get scared out of the market, and then either come late November or December and they'll just go parabolic, guys. So just don't be shaking out, guys. If October did happen to be bearish and red, guys, just take it as an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. If you still have dry powder to buy in October, guys, then just buy the dip, guys. Right now is the time to buy the dip. Because it is time, guys. Buy the dip, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So definitely remain bullish, guys. Do not get bearish, guys. Now let's just go over the top cryptocurrencies and the crypto market in general. Looks like the current crypto market cap is for everything, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and all cryptocurrencies is 2.27%. I'm sorry about that. The total crypto currency market cap is $2.27 trillion, guys. The 24-hour volume for the total crypto currency market is 62.25 billion. So that's up 29% in the last 24 hours, guys. So people are buying the dip, guys. It looks like people are buying the dips. It looks like the Bitcoin dominance is going down too, guys. Bitcoin dominance is 56.0%. And yeah, like I said in my earlier videos, guys, I didn't think it was going to get to 60% Bitcoin dominance this time. A lot, the last cycle, Bitcoin dominance got as high as like 70%. But I don't think so. I don't think this cycle is going to get that high. I think 58% Bitcoin dominance was the high. I have some videos, previous videos, where I pretty much said like Bitcoin dominance is showing that the Bitcoin dominance top is in, guys. So I think the Bitcoin dominance is going to remain about the same until altcoin season hits, and then the Bitcoin dominance will go down and the altcoin seasons will fly, guys. Looks like the fear and greed index, according to CoinMarketCap, is at 56, so it's neutral. So nobody's greedy or fearful. Everything's just kind of just going sideways still. Like I said, Bitcoin's at $63,572. We got Ethereum at $25.99, basically $2,600. BNB's $571. We got Solana, $153. We got XRP for your XRP army. It did get us high as $66. It did get us high as 66 cents earlier today, but it has corrected to 62 cents. So I mean, at least it's making a move, guys. It's up 6.9% in the last 7 days. So yeah, come on, XRP. We need it to moon. But I don't know, guys. I don't know if you guys saw my earlier video where basically there's a lawyer that just quit the SEC commission, and he basically he's a whistleblower, and he's saying that that the SEC commissioners, Gary Gensler and his crew, they're planning to appeal the ruling of Judge Torres. The XRP is not a security in the secondary markets, guys. But I don't know, guys. We'll see what happens, guys. I sure hope that they don't appeal it. I just want this case to be done and over with. We've had enough, man. It's been over 4 years already. So hopefully they don't appeal it. But I mean, knowing Gary Gensler, I mean, he hates XRP and crypto, so he might just appeal it, guys. But we'll see what happens, guys. They have it until October 7. It's the deadline for them to appeal it. Doge, for you Doge lovers, it's up 11.46% in the last 7 days. Right now it's at 11.97, basically 12 cents. We got Toncoin, 5.75. We got Cardano at 38 cents. Tron at 15 cents. Avalanche, one of my favorite projects, guys. Don't sleep on Avalanche at $28. Can't go wrong with Avalanche, guys. I mean, it's got a real-world asset, tokenization projects. It's got gaming projects. I mean, the California DMV is using it for its vehicle titles, guys. So I mean, can't get more bullish than that, guys. A lot of use for Avalanche, guys. You got JP Morgan that made its private blockchain on it, Onyx Coin, not to be confused with XCN. Onyx, it's Onyx cryptocurrency, which is also a good project, guys. I mean, if you're looking for a good 50x coin, check into XCN, Onyx Coin, not JP Morgan's coin, but XCN. I think it could 50x, so that's a little hidden gem right there if you don't know about it. Then we got Shiba Inu for you Shiba Army is at 4018. Chainlink, a real world asset coin at $12. Polkadot, still a steal at $4.61. I mean, like the all-time low is $2.79, guys. So yeah, it's somewhere around there. It's under $3 for the all-time low. So I mean, like if you believe in DOT, I mean, like now's the time to buy. I mean, it could go parabolic. You never know. Last cycle didn't do that good, so maybe this bull run cycle might be the DOT cycle, guys. So you never know. I'm bullish on all cryptocurrency, guys. I'm bullish on Bitcoin and all cryptocurrency because I love crypto and blockchain technology, guys. Bitcoin Cash at 341. We got Near Protocol at 530. Also a steal, guys. It's got the AI narrative, guys. So AI might go parabolic this bull run cycle. So definitely check into it, guys. Then we got Sui. Sui's up 11.7% in the last 7 days. But the last 30 days, last month, I think it's up like 100%, guys. Everybody's saying that Sui's the new Solana, guys. But yeah, I don't know. I do love Sui, but the only thing I don't like about it, guys, it's got a low circulation, guys. It's only got like a 30% circulation. So yeah, guys. So just be careful. Although, like don't let that stop you guys because there has been a lot of coins that moon, even if their circulating supply is low compared to the total supply, guys. So I do love Sui, guys. I do think it's going to do good this cycle. Just that's the only one thing I don't like about it is the circulating supply is really low. So I mean, the team could dump at you at any time, guys. But you never know. It could go parabolic like Solana did last cycle. We got Pepe, everybody's favorite frog. It's up 32% the last 7 days, guys, at 4010. We got Uniswap, 747. Never count Uniswap out. One of the biggest DEX out there. We got ICP, $9.19, starting to move. 9% up in the last 7 days. We got BitTensor, another AI narrative, 4.85% in the last 7 days, $574. We got Aptos at 783. I think Aptos going to do really good this cycle, guys. We got Kaspa. A lot of people are calling it the new Bitcoin. A lot of people love Kaspa at 15 cents, 9, basically 16 cents. Then we got the ASA, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, $1.57. That might do really good, guys. It's the number one AI coin. So it might do really good if the AI narrative sticks, and maybe we'll have an AI bull run cycle like we had DeFi Summer last cycle, guys. Then we got Render at $6.42. We got the new Matic POL Polygon at 40 cents. And then we got Stellar at 10 cents, guys. Don't sleep on Stellar too. It's got a lot of real world token projects going on. You know, it's got cross-border payments, guys. I do believe XLM and XRP is going to do really good. Especially if XRP does good, XLM will follow, because we all know XLM is XRP's little brother. So if XRP moves, XLM will move right with it. Well, yeah, guys, that's basically. I mean, I can't go over all the projects. I'll just like to go over the top cryptos, top 30 cryptos, guys. So yeah, guys, this is my first live. Just testing the waters. If I made some mistakes, bear with me. It's my first live I've ever done, guys. So just definitely, bear with me, guys. And so yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. This Top Crypto Bull, reminding you guys, to help the channel out, subscribe to the channel, guys. Help us out with the YouTube algorithm, guys. Like the video. Hit that like button, guys. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.